Welcome students. Our today's topic is double integral over non-rectangular region. In previous lecture we discussed double integral over a rectangular region. Non-rectangular region can be of two types, type 1 region and type 2 region. Type 1 region is bounded from left and right by two vertical lines and from below and above by two curves as shown in figure. In this case, this rectangular region of type 1 is bounded from left by vertical line x equal to a, from right by vertical line x equal to b, from below it is bounded by the curve y equal to f1x, and from above it is bounded by the curve y is equal to f2x. Similarly, type 2 region is bounded from below and above by two horizontal lines and from left and right by two curves. In this case, this region is bounded from below by horizontal line y equal to c, from above it is bounded by horizontal line y equal to d, from left it is bounded by the curve x equal to g1y, and from right it is bounded by the curve x is equal to g2y. Now these two integrals can be written as, now double integral for region R f of x y dA is equal to, now for first region we can write it as x varies from a to b, so x varies from a to b. This region is bounded from below by the curve y equal to f1x and from above by the curve y equal to f2x. So variation of y is f1x, f2x, f2x, f of xy dy dx. f1x to f2x is the limit of y and a to b is the limit of x. Similarly, type 2 region can be written as double integration over region R f of xy dA is equal to, now type 2 region, it is bounded from below and above by two horizontal line y equal to c, y equal to d. So we can write it as c to d, limit of y, and limit of x is g1y to g2y, g1y, g2y, f of xy dx dy. Remember, we can change these two limits, or we can interchange these two integrals by the relation, as we know that integration a to b, integration c to d, f of xy dy dx can be written as integration, first I take the integral c to d, then a to b f of xy. Now we interchange these two integrals. Now we have to interchange these two differential dy dx. We write it as dx dy. So by this relation we can interchange these two limits of integration. Remember, while evaluating double integral, the most important task is to find these two limits. How to find these limits? For this we discuss two principles. The first principle is, first find limit of x and then find limit of y by a strip parallel to y-axis. And the second principle is, first find limit of y and then find limit of x by horizontal strip parallel to x-axis. How does it work? We discuss in an example. Consider we have to find double integral over this region. This region is bounded by, this is a triangular region bounded by the curve y equal to x plus 1, y equal to minus x plus 1 and y equal to 3. This is y equal to x plus 1, y equal to x minus x plus 1 and y equal to 3 is this side. Now this triangular region, we can find the limit of this triangular region in two ways. The first way is to first find limit of y. As we know, over this region y varies from 1 to 3, so variation of y is from 1 to 3, y varies from 1 to 3, and for variation of x we take a strip parallel to x-axis. This is a strip parallel to x-axis. Now in this strip we find the value of y. From the point this strip starts, at this point we can say that y is equal to we find value of x. So equation of this side is y equal to minus x plus 1. So from here we can find x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus y plus 1. Similarly, on this strip we can find the value of second value of x, which is the second side of this region is y equal to x plus 1. So on this strip, the terminal point of this strip, value of y is value of x is equal to y minus 1. So over this integral we can take limit y, first we take limit of y which is from 1 to 3, and limit of x is from x equal to minus y plus 1 to x equal to y minus 1 f of x y dx dy. Now we solve a problem related to double integral. Evaluate the double integral over the region R 6xy dA. R is the region bounded by y equal to 0, bounded by the curve y equal to 0, x equal to 2 and y equal to x square. So in order to evaluate double integral, first try to sketch the region. Now here y equal to x square is a parabola, and y equal to 0 is this line. On x-axis y is equal to 0, so this is y equal to 0, and x equal to 2 is this line. So our region is the region bounded by these three curves, which is this region, shaded region. Now the most important task is to find the limit of double integral. So we can find this limit by two ways. The first way is to find the limit of x on this region, and then find the limit of y by a strip parallel to y-axis. So in this case x varies from if we take limit of x on x-axis, so x varies from 0 to 2. So variation of x is from 0 to 2. Now for variation of y, we take a strip parallel to y-axis. This is a strip parallel to y-axis. Now we find value of y on this strip. So on this point, from where this strip begins, y is equal to 0. On this point, as this point is the point of intersection of this curve, so at this point value of y is equal to x square. So y varies from, variation of y is from 0 to x square. So this double integral can be found by the relation as double integration over the region R 6xy and dA is equal to double integration over the region. Here in this region x varies from 0 to 2, so variation of x is from 0 to 2, and y varies from 0 to x square. Variation of y is 0 to x square. Function is 6xy. Now dA is equal to, we write it dy dx. So remember, if a variation of x, here we say that y varies from 0 to x square. So value of y is in term of x. So this variation 0 to 2 is the variation of 2, and the second variation is the variation of y. So now we integrate this function, integration 0 to 2, integration 0 to x square 6xy dy dx. Now this is equal to integration 0 to 2. By constant multiple rule, we can take 6 as 6 out of this double integral. So this is equal to integration 0 to x square xy dy whole dx. This is equal to, now this can be written as 6 integration 0 to 2, as x is considered as constant, so x is can be taken out, integration 0 to x square dy whole dx dy dx. Now this can be written as 6 integration 0 to 2 x, integration dy is equal to y dy, integration y dy is equal to y square upon 2, and its variation is from 0 to x square dx. This is equal to, we cancel 2 by 6, so this is equal to 3 times integration 0 to 2. Now remember, this is the variation of y 0 to x square, so we write it as, first we write x square here, so it becomes x4 minus 0 dx, and this is equal to 3 times integration 0 to 2 x5 dx, and it can be written as integration x6 upon 6, and variation is from 0 to 2, and this is equal to 1 upon 2 after putting limit 2 power 6 minus 0. 2 power 6 is equal to 64 upon 2, and this is equal to 2. So double integral over this region is equal to 2 unit. Now we discuss another problem. Evaluate the double integral over the region R xy dA, where R is a region bounded by y is equal to under the root x, y equal to 6 minus x, y equal to 0. Now y equal to under the root x is the graph of y equal to under the root x is given here. Y equal to 6 minus x is a straight line having x and y intercept 6 comma 6. So the point of intersection of these two lines, y equal to under the root 6 and y equal to 6 minus x, is 4 comma 2. So you can find this point of intersection by solving these two equations by putting under the root x equal to 6 minus x and then solving it. So point of intersection is 4, 2. The most typical work is to find the limit of variable, means limit of x and y. So for limit of integration, clearly this region is a type 2 region. It is bounded below by the line y equal to 0 and bounded above by the line, and the equation of this line is y is equal to 2. From left hand side it is bounded by the curve y equal to under the root x, and from right hand side it is bounded by the curve y equal to 6 minus x. Another way to find this limit by strip method. So we can take a strip and then move it from left to right. From left, when this strip is at this point, then we get the value of y is equal to 6 minus x, and at this point the value of y is, as this point is on the curve, y equal to 6 minus x. So variation of y is from y equal to under the root x to y equal to 6 minus x. So this double integral over the region R x y dA is equal to integration 0 to 2, which is the limit of y, and for limit of x we value of y, value of y is from y varies from y equal to 0 to y is equal to 2. So for variation of x we take a strip parallel to x-axis. So this strip is parallel to x-axis. So on this strip we can see that y varies from under the root x to y equal to 6 minus x, but we have to find the value of x. So on this strip y is equal to under the root x, means x is equal to y square, and y equal to 6 minus x means in second equation y equal to 6 minus x, we have x is equal to 6 minus y. So this is our limit of x. So x varies from the curve y square to 6 minus y. So this integral can be written as integration 0 to 2 integration y square to 6 minus y x y dx dy. The integration 0 to 2, first we evaluate the internal integration with respect to dx, partial integration with respect to x. So for this y is kept as constant, so integration of x is x square upon 2, and its variation is from y square to 6 minus y. So after putting the limit, we get y into 6 minus y whole square minus y square whole square dy. Now it become a function of one variable y. Opening this square, it becomes 36 plus y square minus 12y minus y 4, and this is equal to 36y plus y cube minus 12y square minus y 5 dy. This is a simple calculation because it has become a function of one variable only. So applying integration, so in every part power rule of integration can be applied, so it becomes 1 by 2, so that becomes 36 y square upon 2, y cube becomes y 4 upon 4, and minus 12 y square becomes minus 12 y cube upon 3, and similarly y 5, integration of y 5 is equal to minus y 6 upon 6. So after a few calculation we get 1 by 2 18y square y 4 upon 4 minus 4y cube minus y 6 upon 6, and then putting the limit we get 50 by 3, which is the answer of this limit.